Good morning. The house feels bright and quiet today.
The sunlight feels warm. I hear birds outside.
Let's eat together and share your thoughts with us. We are willing to listen to you.
I really like eating breakfast together. Can we eat more often?
Of course, sweeties. We'd love to. Eating with you feels really happy to me.
Yes, I really enjoy this moment with our family. The meal is very delicious and I love it. Today, we are going to visit our Aunt Anna. Yeah, it has been 6 months already. I miss her a lot. I feel very excited now.
Eat slowly. We still have plenty of time. I cannot find my phone.
You had it last night. Maybe it's on the sofa. Right there.
I already checked there. I could not find it on the sofa.
I want to help you, Mom. Let's look for it together. You call it. I will check the table.
I will check my bag. Oh, here it is.
Great! Now we can leave. Wow, the air feels warm and fresh.
I like summer air. It smells nice. Let's walk to the bus stop together.
Walking together feels peaceful.
I hear buses and people talking.
The street looks busy, but happy. We walk slowly. I like that.
We are at the bus stop now.
The bus is not here yet. We can wait.
Waiting is okay. We don't need to hurry today. The bench feels warm from the sun.
I hear birds and the wind in the trees.
I feel calm inside.
The bus is coming!
Great! Let's get on!
Come on, Leo!
Let's go!
The bus feels cool inside, thank goodness.
Everyone, please have a seat.
I want to sit by the window. It's so beautiful out there. I want to sit by the window too.
The bus moves slowly.
I see shops and houses.
We came this way before. We are almost there.
My heart feels warm already.
Let's get off. I I am very excited now. I stretch my arms up high. Now I stretch my legs. That feels good.
Aunt Anna's house is near.
I see the old tree. It looks the same.
Nothing really changed. This place is peaceful, and I love it.
I will knock on the door. My heart beats faster. I feel happy and a little nervous.
We stand quietly and wait.
I hear someone walking inside.
Oh! You are here!
Hello, Anna. Long time no see.
It's been 6 months. We are happy to see you again.
Come in, everyone. I am happy you are here today. Thank you. I am happy too. Your house feels the same.
It feels calm and welcoming.
I like the cool air inside. Your plants look very healthy.
Summer helps them grow. We came here by bus today.
The ride was slow but relaxing.
I liked watching the street from the window. I counted many trees on the way. I counted 1, 2, 3, 11. It was so cool.
Would you like some cold lemonade? Yes, please. That sounds perfect.
Thank you. Oh, it's hot outside today.
The lemonade tastes sweet and fresh. I love it, Aunt Anna. I feel happy sitting here together.
Visiting after a long time feels special.
Time passes fast, but feelings stay the same.
I want to stay longer.
You are always welcome here. We are glad we came today.